AI-based software improves mission safety and performance. Teledyne FLIR OEM, a part of Teledyne Technologies Incorporated, has introduced Prism Trademark Supervisor, the latest addition to its Prism embedded software ecosystem. This new software integrates drone autopilot systems with AI-powered real-time observations to improve mission safety, efficiency, and performance. Enhancing autonomous capabilities. Prism Supervisor minimizes operator workload by adapting autopilot functionality in real time. It dynamically generates mission segments and flight plans, enabling UAVs to adjust their operations on the fly. For example, a drone using Prism Supervisor for a search mission can automatically circle and alert the operator upon detecting a human or potential threat. From behavior and mission planning to dynamically adjusting in-flight operations, Prism Supervisor represents a significant advancement for drone autonomy through AI, said Dan Walker, Vice President of Product Management at Teledyne FLIR. It improves operational performance via single-click missions, opening up new possibilities for UAS operation from commercial to military use cases. User-friendly mission planning and execution. The software simplifies drone operation with an intuitive graphical user interface, for mission planning, real-time visualization, and execution. Available for both desktop and mobile deployment, it supports Windows, Linux, macOS, iOS, and Android. The system streams and records full frame rate video, path visualization, and metadata while supporting collaborative behaviors and synchronized operations among multiple UAVs. Expanding the Prism ecosystem. Prism Supervisor is part of Teledyne FLIR's broader Prism digital ecosystem, which focuses on AI and image processing. The software enables object detection, tracking, and computational imaging on low-power processors, improving UAS mission performance while reducing development costs.